What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2006 GMC 2500 HD. This is an extended cab short bed 4-wheel drive configuration. This truck has quite a lot done to it. I'm going to do my absolute best in this video to showcase everything. This truck was well loved by the previous owners. They spent very large sums of money getting this truck to where it's at. And it has very, very low miles. So starting up top here, this is a factory 8.1 truck. This truck has been bored over. So 8.1s are 496s. This has been bored over to a 525 cubic inch big block. It has a Ralar intake manifold, cold air intake, and you can see it's got a set of aluminum heads on it. This truck has a cam. It has built internals, and you can see catch cans, wires, coils, alternator. This truck has also been converted to dual battery, performance electric fans. It's got lots of AN fittings, aftermarket lines on it. This is owned by the previous owners for many, many years, and it was well loved, and he was a big performance guy when it came to the 8.1 vehicles. So coming around here, this truck, I've driven it. I've driven a lot of 8.1 liters. This one will outrun them all. It makes a ton of power. It rides good, drives good. It's got the old school chrome wheels, Toyo Proxes on it. Got good tread on them. Got paint matched flares, cab length running boards. Coming around to the back here, hard roll-up style bed cover. It's got the billet style tailgate handle. So this is color matched to be as close to the color of the truck as possible. Up here on the edge, obviously it's got some sun on it and it's faded out, but down here where it's been protected from the sun, it's good and blue still. So coming around here, truck has dual exhaust. So being an SLT truck, an extended cab, this has a really cool option. This has a sunroof. You don't see too many extended cab short beds with sunroofs. Opening up here, truck has an aftermarket stereo in it. Runs out of this Kenwood double din. Power windows, power locks on the driver's side, heated seats as well. Power passenger seat. Doors are in really nice shape. Rear seat's in really nice shape. Put headrest in the back of, screens in the back of the headrest, excuse me. It's got these all-weather larger mats underneath. The carpet's in really nice shape. Paint matched mirror caps. Got a little clear failure on them. They're here, but paint matched. We'll jump in here and show you around the interior. Driver's side, memory seats, heated seats, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It's got the indicators in the mirrors as well. No lumps, no bumps on the armrest. Factory Bose system, it's been upgraded though. Jumping up in here, mentioned the Kenwood double din, buttons on the knobs. Has an air fuel mixture gauge here. This is the base adjustment knob. And this says boost, the truck's not boosted. We are assuming they are using this as a vacuum gauge on the intake. Coming up in here, steering wheel is in really nice shape. No rips, no tears. Buttons all look really nice. Electronic shift 4-wheel drive. It's got the sunroof, home link. I'm gonna go ahead and start this up. It is pretty loud, so I probably will not talk until I shut it off here. I'll give you a good idea of what it sounds like though. This truck has 34,333 original miles. Come back around now that it's idled down a little bit, let you hear it again. So it's pretty cold here today. So once again, this truck has 34,333 original miles. All the buttons and knobs come on. You can see it's reading that. That it is not. So, truck's really loud. It runs really, really well. Coming back here to the outside, I pointed this out on the other side here, but the clear on this mirror as well, you can see right there and right there has kind of flaked off. The wheels are in really nice shape. Tires are in nice shape. It's got some just little rock chips down low, super normal stuff for just any vehicle. These old school wheels right here got some pitting coming through right here on the edge. Frame is in nice shape. It's got a 4-inch exhaust on it, so it's pretty hardy. Around the back here, not too much damage to speak of. Pretty sharp truck. It's just been outside today, so it's a little dusty. Been kind of dusty around here. Coming down, once again, you know, rock chips, some more pitting on this wheel. The clear failure right here. Up front, these headlights have just a little bit of fog on them. The fog lights also have a little bit of fog on them. There's a couple little rock chips up front here and there. Here's one, here's one. Nothing too crazy. This is a really sharp truck. So if you are interested in this truck or any other vehicles you may see on this channel, feel free to reach out to us at 417-720-4995 or check us out on social media at Enterprise Motorsports. We are located in Springfield, Missouri with shipping options nationwide.